this, man. Go out. Woo, are you ready? 3, 2, 1. HAG, we rock. You liking and subscribing. Another video this week, you know we got it poppin'. Subscribe to my channel, become another member. And don't forget that HAG the sickest ever did. Welcome to the life of the HAG. It's the fun in my life, it's a fun in my lifestyle. Welcome to the life of the HAG. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Man, they missed us, man. So you already know. 2020, 21, man, we back with all the what? Hey, you got buku what? Man, shut your big box counter head ass down, man. Hey, say, let me tell you.
He got herpes that day.
Hey, keep it real. What's that is on your lip right there?
No, that's a fever.
Hey, let me tell you something. All you gotta do is tell them an ant bit you on your lip while you was Hey, they clearly not. Hey, you shut up.
Spike, you don't talk to her, boy.
Hey, say, she do be still. I like it when I make you my boyfriend. Hey, y'all, I'm really thinking about flying her ex out and making them a bag. Do that. That's a good idea. It's up. Hey, say, introduce us to him, man. Hey, say, Elbow Man, bro. Like, real talk, if he's an OG for real. Y'all only seen him in one vlog. For the new people, y'all probably never seen him. But this is our cousin, Little Elbow Man, man. Hey, say, huh?
Big cousin, bro.
Oh, yeah, I forgot you 16.
Why your pants so big?
Hey, did he say why your pants so big, Elbow Man? Wait, hold up. You saying that? Man, what? They got a secret handshake.
Oh, yeah, that's my boy.
What's the handshake?
1, 2, 1,
I say we finna turn the cuz up. Y'all already know this Elbow Man. We gon' make some playoffs. Bam. Oh, yeah. Hey, say, I think. Hey. Hey, what?
Fly all your bad kids' asses out and put them in the house.
What?
That's gonna be a bag again. All asses.
Hey, look. Hey, is he gonna be Spanky or Jordan? Which one? Hey, in the comments right now, tell us should we fly both of them out or Spanky or Jordan? Let us know.
Spanky or Jordan. We want both.
Hey, say one of them gotta be a bag kid.
Spanky gonna wife her.
Hey, what if we let Spanky come thug with us this summer, man?
On the summer tour.
Hey, she gonna like that. How my kid gonna feel about that? Man, she don't know.
Who said they gonna like that?
Yeah, they gonna like that. Who say they gonna like that? They gonna like that. Who say they gonna like that? Hey, say Woo, check this out, man. My boy Woo, hey, you got bigger Woo. I ain't lying, boy. Hey, Woo. Man, you don't sit down. Hey, say, hey, don't Woo look like a little chocolate waffle can?
He fresh out the juvie.
Yeah, hey, do the Woo. Hey, do the Woo right quick. Do the Woo. Do the Woo. Hey, say, look, y'all, I ain't gonna say nothing, but Woo been kind of having his eyes on Paris. Hey, what he told you? Hey, we ain't gonna speak on that. We ain't gonna build that right now. Hey, but y'all tune in.
Too big for
They just
same age.
Hey, so look, Paris, do you go out with you? Oh, hey, you shut up and leave them alone.
Who said he about to take her?
Hey, you gonna take her? Hey, man, hey, look, hey, not right now.
Me about to take her.
Hey, that's what that boy Woo said. Get over here.
Hey, damn,
that boy said, oh, I'm gonna take her to the board and I'm gonna go get her.
Hey, stop justing him like that.
I'm gonna go get the sharpest arrow in the board. I'm gonna take that.
You made him mad. You pissed him off now, man.
Hey, say, Woo, you good? Hey, I got a surprise for you though, man. I ain't gonna tell you right now. I'm giving it to you today.
Can I tell him?
No, bro.
It's a box of chicken.
I'm gonna tell you right now.
Hold the Africa.
Let me tell you, this is what I got for you. I got the book in the spirit and the gourd.
With my mug on me.
Hey, y'all stay tuned, man. We back and we finna get lit. Tune in on. Okay. Man, we just made it to the other room, man. Woo, hey, stop eating all the stuff, man. Real talk. That's your hey, look, hey, I ain't forget what what you did, I'm gonna beat your ass, man. Whoa, you a gangster? Hey, boy, hey,
Stop hitting that little boy like that.
ain't nobody hit him. Hey, say
He doing that 'cause his parents in here.
Hey, you better get him out of here, dog.
Hey, we'll take it out.
Hey, look, hey, y'all, hey, say, I'm telling you, bro. Who would have came back with that? Hey, say, hey, where you at? Hey, say, bro, hey, keep acting like that, here.
He spent 15
Keep acting. Boot camp. Man, that big ass whopper camp. Hey,
What they been feeding that boy?
I don't know, bro. Hey, but I know you better chill. Wait, what you say? Man, you don't sit. Hey, listen, you don't sit your ASAP Rocky looking ass down. Hey, look, hey, yeah, let me introduce y'all to him, bro. This is Trey's little brother.
Little big.
I say little brother because he's bigger than you, bro.
Little big.
Now, who will beat who up, bro? Keep it real. Yeah! I say, hey, this is our little cousin Karen, man. Shout out to Karen. Y'all nice to meet Karen. You're not dripping. I don't even know how you wearing that shit. Hey, say, what you say? He bigger than who? Man, I don't give a damn. I bet he can't whoop my ass. Huh? Hey, say, ain't like, look, if you look in the bottom of Tate mouth, his teeth. Hey, that boy teeth is like, that boy teeth like little Oompa Loompas doing the goddamn Bobby Snowden dance.
Us three over here, we ain't getting your jokes.
Hey, say, hey, y'all ain't gotta get my joke. Look.
What you gonna say?
Close your mouth. She got them Nerf gun battle teeth.
Hey, hold on. What's up for that roast session?
Hey, roast session.
What I am? Me and you. Have somebody hold the camera. Hold on, you go first. Nigga, look. Hey, look. You trying to joke my little sister? You need to stop that. Every time you talk, your breath telling you need to stop that.
That was lame. Hey, say you playing with me?
Praying with me.
Boy, you'll get blues. Hey, you stepping up to me and I bought you them shoes.
You bought me these shoes. Nigga, I don't give a
Hey, y'all know when Slutty lose because he always walk out the room. Hey, I made him tap out.
I'm not the only nigga that can last for Mac in here.
Hey, who wanna go? Who wanna go? Who wanna go? You the sickest. Hey, that boy Elbow man say he the sickest with it. Wait, hold up, y'all. You the sickest with what? Roasting?
It's roasting, yeah.
Man, who you wanna roast?
Anybody. You pick.
You pick. Hey, look, him. Come on. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's go.
You don't get your chopstick on somewhere, boy.
Whoa.
Hey, you need a way. You curve.
Watch your damn mouth, boy. Hey, sit your ass down. Sit down. Hey, don't say that here. Watch your damn mouth. Hey, ain't no ad. We don't say that here.
No, man.
Hey, look. One of his teeth bigger than the other in the front. Real talk. Hey, who next? Come on. Who next?
Trey and I'm gonna go.
Trey and who? Trey and Josh?
Boy, you look like a raccoon with gold teeth. Boy, you look like a nigga don't know what you was doing with the bumps on your lip. Walk away. I told you I'm the secret.
Hey, watch when you swinging them indecent things.
I don't know who's coming out the more.
You might headbutt or crack somebody in their head, man. Hey, say, look, man, y'all stay tuned, man. We finna get ready to go to the warehouse. It's only gonna get lit. Yeah! Get some things for the warehouse. We finna have a noodle fight. Hey, so who you think gonna win the noodle fight? Come on. Hey, real talk, we really gonna do this. So stupid ass. Hey, no, don't do it, cause I know you finna do it. Hey, you a hard head. Come on, Jarve. You keep on following Paris. You need to go ahead and go get your stuff. I said 3 things, okay? 3 things. You missing 1 thing, huh? What that is? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that's mine.
This for you.
But what? This is 1, 2, 3, 4. What you? All right, you can keep it. Go ahead, keep it. No exceptions for nobody else. No exceptions. Dude, I only let him slide because his lip got that thing on it. I already know what it is. Come on, let's go. Come on, slide. Slutty.
What the hell is you doing?
Come on, man. We gotta get up out of here.
Let that man pick it up.
Say, Elbow man, you gonna play noodle fights with us? Oh yeah, man. Please don't break his arm because, man, we don't want to go to the hospital tonight. Shut up, Woo. Let's go. Come on. We gotta go. Come on, y'all. Come on, slut. You finna go to the board? Let's go to the board. Let's go.
Let's check out.
All right, y'all. We rolling. Bye, Mason. Mason back there trying to buy Spanky a phone case. Whoa. Let's go. So you ain't back there trying to buy Spanky a phone case?
No, No, bro, she's trying to buy Spanky and Jordan 1.
Hey, Bam, come on, bro. We gotta get some more. Oh, get the jump rope.
Hey, Bam, stop.
No, the green one, man. What you? Get a,
You gotta get that for
chill
your
out.
head.
Get green one. All right, no, I'm gonna get this green one. We're gonna get this green.
We're gonna get this orange one.
We're gonna get the orange one for the girls.
We're gonna get the frozen one for the
We
parents.
don't like no orange.
Man, what you? What?
I'm a Bobby girl.
Ain't no Bobby
All
World.
right, y'all. We finna get ready to get out of here, man. We getting this all this stuff for the warehouse. We finna go
you
turn up
going
on the
for,
game.
girl?
What you put in your bag? Is you stealing? All right, excuse me. I think he's stealing.
He's stealing our
What you put in there?
Son, why you low?
He's stealing
What,
our child.
what you put in your bag?
Nothing.
Hey, say I don't know if Red's stealing or not, you guys, but if he is stealing, he's not with me, okay? She like, she don't care. Hey, well, man, we should have stole everything, right? Man, stop playing with me, bro. Stop playing with me. Hey,
You
go.
act like you never stole before. You be trying to act like
Boy,
you
I ain't never stole nothing from nobody before.
Bro, when you had them long
The only thing I ever stole in my life was a girl from my homeboy. Real talk.
You had them people like that.
Because I'm a snake, man. He say, well, I'm snaking people like that. Man, you don't get your Kovac cannon arms. Hey, I'm just joking. All right, y'all, we do be joking with Elbow, man, but look, you guys, he's a regular person. We just joke. That's what we do. Let him know, man.
Mac looking like a slender man.
Slender man.
The slapping stick or arm man.
The slapping stick.
The gum and worm arm boy.
Ooh, it do. Man, that one dude in your skits that don't exist.
And then you get put up by nobody. Then your daddy never come see you.
All right, you guys, man, we finna go ahead and get up out of here on his team. You guys, check this out, man. We just made it to the warehouse, man. Woo on the bike cutting. Hey, I bet you can't hit a backflip on that thing. Go ahead. Backflip. Backflip. I bet you can't. Uh-oh. Hey, you finna bust his head. Oh, yeah. Woo going duff. Hey, who winning over here? Say, Bam. Hey, look. All right, bro, look, I'm gonna give you one shot. If you make it, you get $200 right now. Hey, look, no, look. One section. Hey, look, from right here, I'm gonna put the line right here. $200 if you make it right now. Man, you suck. Hey, catch it slack. All right, Trey, I'm gonna give you a chance. I'm gonna give you a chance just because you got a fever blister. Let's get it. Let's go. Hit. Oh, man. All right, you want a chance, see? Huh? Hey, say, what you want to shop for? That boy ain't even like that, man. Woo, you ain't even like that, dog. So, hey, say, I ain't. Man, you get your goddamn. Uh-oh. Man, you get out of here. Hey, this dude be clearly thinking he raw, dog. That nigga bust as a bitch. Hey, huh? What the chance for $200, man? You want to try? All right, look. You make it from behind this bike, you get you right here. This is where we was at. You make it from right here, you get $200, man. Let's go. Man, you suck, man. All these. Oh no, you a basketball player. Hell nah. Hey, look, HAG, we've been gone so long. A lot of new stuff been happening, but I want to show y'all the new additions. We got Alvin and the Chipmunk. Oh, look at DD rolling.
Man, bet me some, man.
Hey, look, introduce the Chipmunks, man.
Bet me some.
Introduce the Chipmunk.
Man, what up?
Man, we got little Alvin. Hey, we got Theodore. Wait, this Theodore, right? This Theodore, Simon. And hey, who this is, Jarvay? This my little cousin right here, Jarvay. Go ahead and tell him who this is, man. This Theodore, man.
That's me.
Hey, you know he doing the Spot 'em Got 'em challenge. Hit it. Hey, thugging in my Reeboks. Hey, say, what if we make Woo a remix song to that song and call it Woo Back? Man, you want to make a song? Man, boy. Who's ass? Ain't trying to make no song.
Real talk, saying.
Ain't trying to make. Hey, we're going to turn you up too, man. We're going to put you on the track. But look, you guys, man, the trampoline is here, man. We just waiting on the foam cubes and the stuff like that. You see this? What that say? Max Trampoline, bro. It's got so much stuff in here, bro. It's going to be crazy.
Basically waiting on the flunkies to put all this up.
Yeah, we waiting on the flunkies to come and put all this up. Hold up. Hey, what your little Bucky, what do he look like, that little chief?
If I make this, I get $200.
If you make this, you get 200. You ain't gonna make it. You clearly is a little boy that ain't finna do nothing spectacular. All right, look. Go ahead. Man, hell no. Hey, say, bro, all these kids want shots.
Oh, no, sit your
Man, that's crazy. Hey, but look, man, y'all check this out, man. I got a surprise for Woo, man. He's gonna be so excited. Hey, say, you think I should go ahead and give him the surprise, bro? Woo.
You got a boat?
No, I got a boat and a boat. Hey, Slutty, what is you doing, man?
My bad.
What is you doing over here? You over there?
Let me get a surprise.
You was kissing his pants, man. What's wrong with you, guys?
Get Woo surprise for him, though?
Hey,
Let me get it.
Hey, no, who want to get Woo surprise? Hey, let me see one of them. Let me see one of these, man. Come on, I just want to see it.
For real, cause
Hey,
get his damn surprise.
hey, you ain't my damn brother. Hey, oh, battle, oh. Hey, why you did that though?
Because he should have hit me in my face. You want to do something?
Look, I'm like that, boy. Oh, my mama, boy, I flash out and I do it good.
Yeah, your brother like that.
Hey, you wanna have a flash out, boy?
Yeah.
Who flashed out better? All right, in the comments below, let us know who flashed out better. You ready?
Yeah, you go first.
All right. Hey, look, don't play with me like that, boy. I slap you, man. Yeah, you know what's up. Yeah,
Man, that's whack, man. Real talk,
Go
man.
ahead.
Look, man, you pissing me off. Real talk. Get the hell out my face.
All right, go ahead.
I'm gonna crash out. Don't play with me like that. Why you living like that? Why you living like that? Elbow!
Hey, he done crashed out with the ball. What you the hey, all right, look, elbow man, show him you know how to make a shot, bro. Hey, elbow man, really, yeah.
This man gotta go.
Show him how you make a shot, elbow man. Uh-oh, elbow man. Elbow man, hit it. He almost did it.
Somebody dookie on themselves.
He never give up, you heard me? Y'all know what time it is. Hey, say, but we lit, man. We finna turn up, but we finna surprise Woo with, whoa. Chill out now. Oh, why he threw that at you, man? Hey, say where Woo at?
I don't know who that
Hey, Woo, hey, ooh, smoke.
Yeah, nigga, got my leg back.
Hey, we finna surprise Woo. Hey, check this out, man. Close his face, man. What you got? Man, what's wrong? Hey, Trey, your little brother crazy, bro. Hey, man, ASAP Rocky, man.
We ain't gonna call him Caleb brother no more.
Hey, that's ASAP Rocky.
Tight in his head.
Man, elbow man clearly be thugging, man. Hey, but look, all right, you ready, Woo? All right, look, Woo, is you ready for your surprise?
Yeah, man.
Is you ready for your surprise? Hey, say, I don't think, hey, Paris, you think you ready? You don't know. See, you look like you gonna bite through this wall, like real. Yeah. I'm sorry. Hey,
Your big nose.
hey, man, I mess with everybody. You know,
Nigga, I'm on my top with it, nigga. Real talk.
Bro says before we
Bro
get.
say you wanna get it, man?
Hey,
Go, you go first. You
Hey,
go
come be
first.
the referee.
Referee.
Let's go.
If you don't get your bald head, peeled off potato head ass off.
No.
Hey.
I see what you're saying.
That's it. Frog tongue ass. I need water. They say. I ain't saying nothing.
What did you kill it? Hey, but you ain't gonna say nothing though. You already know what it is with me, boy. Stop playing, man. Stop playing, man. Hey, look, are you ready? All right, somebody close his eyes, man.
I got him.
Somebody close his eyes. Hey, y'all, come on. Hey, you shut up before I call Spanky and fly him out right now. Like, hey, wait. That means Spanky on break too, right?
Yeah.
If they don't break, Spanky on break, so he can come now.
You need to get him out here like right now.
Flying him out like right now. All right, somebody go get his surprise. Uh-oh, you ready?
Surprising that boy with is he looking for his lost cousin?
All right, Woo, are you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my God, this for me, man.
Yeah!
Thank you so much, man.
Yeah!
Dirty about to cry.
Hey, say.
He about to cry.
Hey, don't cry, Woo. Don't
About to
cry, Woo. Yeah! Hey, say, Woo. Woo, man, you know I miss you, bro. You been gone for a minute. So with that being said, bro, I'm gifting you with this dirt bike, bro. I love you, bro. Real talk, man.
scared to get on that
Look, now the thing, you gotta wear a helmet on this, okay?
You gonna crash.
You got to wear a helmet or not, you know what's up. Crank it up, man.
Elbow trying to hop
Hey, elbow man, get your ass back. You gonna fall.
Your arms look like
You already know you done broke your hand 10 times this year. Let's get it.
like the handlebar.
Let's go. Crank up.
Carbon dioxide.
Oh yeah. Don't open it. Gotta open that garage first. Go open the garage. Don't open the garage first. Open the garage. Man, you don't get your Superman. I say, hey, man, hand me that. Hey, come on. I see how you living. Hey, but look, man, check this out, man. We finna let Woo take this for a ride. Y'all tune in on it. Guys, man, we got the dirt bike crank up, man. He finna take it for a spin. Man, crank it up. Crank. Hey, hold on. Man, you don't know how to crank this? Man, if it was a boat, you would have bought your goat. You already. Man, shut your goddamn.
Hey, this is not a boat, so he don't know how to work it yet.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go, Woo. Hey, say, man, man, this man Clinton don't know how to drive it. Uh-oh, there you go. Watch back, drop, hey. Hey, you got teeth like that thing right there. You got teeth. Hey, show him your teeth right quick. Show him your teeth.
They radioactive. They radioactive.
All right, look, let's go. Go ahead, Woo. Oh yeah! 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 Woo like that! Woo like that! Hey! Yeah! Yeah! Hey, say park it. Hey, yeah! What you think about that? Hey, say you gonna be riding that in Dixie? Hey, yeah!
Before you stank it up.
Hey, you know they gonna jack him. Hey, say, bro, I don't even think I'm finna let. Hey, I ain't letting you take that to Dixie. That's for you when you come here, bro. Because they is gonna jack him blind.
Like his Instagram.
Hey, soon as he go down the street, they gonna say, hey, woo, I
That's how they hit it. No, they don't even do that. They say, let me ride around the block. Let me ride around the block and never come back.
Let me get there.
Yeah, so this is for you when you come here, okay? This is Woo's Dirt Bike. Everybody say Wakanda! Wakanda! Hey, yeah, I like you, man, because you say what I say, man. Real talk, real flunk. Huh?
Man, how many shots you gonna want?
Yeah, man. Yo, let wheelbarrow my fast. Man, we steady updating the bottom floor with the arcades at Guitar Hero, all these pictures, all this stuff. We got Macy and Paris on the wall. We got Woo and Detroit. Hey, I am out of breath, man. I've been running around. Hey, say it. You be out of breath when Spanky calls. Don't she be out of breath, too? She be stuck, huh? Hey, y'all, I'm about to take y'all in my office. Man, I done brought y'all into my office, man. I done updated it a little bit, man. I got my daddy on the wall. I got my baby on the wall. I got the billion plaque. Y'all see what it is. It's just like, I'm steady adding stuff. Hey, just tell them. I'm showing them a little sneak peek. This is a sneak peek. Oh, no, this is Wings. That's Wings' face, yeah. We got Wings on the wall, but, man, y'all know we finna go crazy, bro. If y'all wonder where I've been, I just been working, man, you know? I just been working towards success, man. Every day, I'm just steady working. Look, check this out, man. My wild and out picture on the wall. This is an accomplishment, man. Shout out to the guys in this picture, bro. Tune in. Check this out, man. We done made it to the game room. I want to show y'all a little. This is a minor update. We got the PS5s on the wall, man. We're not done decorating. We got
somebody out of this one.
Huh?
You jack somebody out of
Oh, yeah. Oh, no, I bought that. Stop playing with me, bro.
You being a better
I
person.
bought that. Stop playing with me, dog. Real talk.
You doing better. You doing jacking it.
Huh? Oh, yeah, I gave it away. I'm sorry.
You won't go do nothing, give us a spanking.
What? Oh, you was gonna get Spanky a PS5? She like, ooh, Spanky, I'm gonna give you a PS5 right now. Hey, say, look, that's it for today's video. I need everybody in this Trump dummy. Head ass gang. 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 On that head ass gang. Peanut butter head ass. Biscuit head ass. Sausage head.